Imagine ultra-thin displays with breathtaking resolution for binge-watching the next new favorite Netflix show. It may sound like a dream, but this is a reality from CES 2025 where future-proof screens are making all news. Here is a quick look at all the top models that could adorn your living room one day. The 2025 LG OLED Evo TV lineup brings unmatched brightness, 3 times brighter than traditional OLEDs. The displays offer perfect blacks and exceptional color accuracy that's unmatched. Powered by the second-generation Alpha 11 AI processor, these ultra-thin models deliver crisp visuals, enhanced HDR10 and immersive 11.1.2 surround sound for engaging home entertainment. Boasting 165 Hz refresh rate, they are ideal for gaming and can be integrated seamlessly with smart home platforms. Samsung's Neo QLED 8K QN990F offers a stunning 8K resolution, powered by NQ8 AI Generation 3 processor for top-notch picture and sound. With AI-enhanced features like 8K upscaling and color booster, every frame pops no matter what content you are viewing. The glare-free screen, wireless One Connect box, and over 3,000 curated artworks from the Frame series make it the ultimate lifestyle TV for your living room. Samsung's Frame Pro redefines entertainment with its Neo QLED panel, delivering vibrant brightness, rich blacks and enhanced contrast with mini LEDs. Powered by NQ4 Generation 3 AI processor, it offers brilliant picture quality for art and videos, 144 Hz refresh rate for smooth gaming, and Vision AI for a personalized viewing experience. On top of that, with over 3,000 global art creations, it's more than just a TV. It is a piece of art for your home. Experience the TCL75 QM6K series with 4K UHD resolution and enhanced QLED for vibrant, lifelike imagery. Powered by AIPQ Pro processor, it offers ultra-smooth motion at 144 Hz with Game Accelerator for the best gaming performance. Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X enhance the sound, while Google TV and IMAX Enhanced certification provide an all-in-one entertainment hub. Meet the Hisense 136mm MicroLED TV, a massive 136-inch display with nearly 25 million microscopic LEDs. Enjoy stunning 4K resolution, infinite contrast, and burn-in-free performance. Powered by HiView AI Engine X, it optimizes color and visuals with HDR10 plus Dolby Vision IQ and Filmmaker mode, delivering an immersive experience like no other. A big thanks from Homecrux to the Crown reporting crew for bringing us the details on these display innovations.